In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best floodlight camera. So let's get started. Number 7. Ring Floodlight Camera. There's a myriad of reasons Ring is one of the premier brands in home security cameras. They're inexpensive, easy to install, and effective. Of course, the Ring Floodlight Camera motion-activated HD security cam is certainly not an exception, especially when it comes to night vision cameras in general. For starters, you're getting vivid 1080 HD picture quality, even at nighttime. Thanks to infrared night vision and live view, you can see anything that happens on your property, despite the time. This is great to prevent theft, or simply for those who want to keep an eye out on their house when they're working, traveling, on vacation, etc. Number 6. Google Nest Cam Outdoor. Of course, we can't go wrong with the Google Nest Cam Outdoor, which certainly deserves a spot on this list. It features 24/7 outdoor coverage in crisp 1080 HD, allowing you to surveil your home into the wee hours of the night. The Google Nest camera also contains some of the best night vision you'll find. The picture quality is basically just as good at night as it is during the day. Plus, the camera, adapter, and cord are all waterproof and extremely durable, so it's reasonable to say this is a pretty safe long-term investment. And with easy installation and activity alerts on your phone, this is one of the most user-friendly night vision cameras you'll find on the market, hands down. Number 5. Samsung Weatherproof Night Vision Camera. In terms of overall value, the Samsung Weatherproof Night Vision Camera is a great buy. Not only is it a financially prudent investment, but it doesn't really lose anything in quality or effectiveness. As you can see from the name, not only does this camera feature vivid night vision, but it's also weatherproof, making it a durable option for virtually any type of climate. The LED infrared lamps give the camera a generous 82-foot range in the dark, and the camera itself is super easy to install outside. Throw in an impressive 720 TVL picture quality, and you have one of the best bang for your buck deals you'll find. Number 4. Ring Smart Lighting. Secure your home 24/7 with the Ring Smart Lighting, as it features easier home monitoring. It's a great addition to your Ring security cameras that could catch every moment for security. The Ring Smart Lighting is one of the best outdoor floodlight security camera supports you could have for your house. Monitoring is very easy with these floodlights, as you can see everything at a 140-degree viewing angle and making live surveillance video easier anytime from your phone. Number 3. Heimvision PTZ Security Camera. If you want the best outdoor floodlight security camera to scare away any intruder at home, then the Heimvision PTZ Security Camera Outdoor must be the one you're looking for. Check on its features and understand why you need to have it. The Heimvision PTZ Security Camera Outdoor is designed for purposes of recording, as it can prevent crime from happening. It has advanced digital panning and 12x zooming that allows for clearer copies of videos that might be important later for investigation, especially if a crime takes place. Just like the Ring security camera, you can also use the two-way audio to talk to couriers or guests on your property or scare off a trespasser. You can also use the red/blue light alarm to drive intruders away. Number 2. Security Floodlight Camera. The Home Zone store has come up for a security floodlight camera that offers a full high-definition view outdoor. You might want to check its features and understand why it is better than any other camera. Keep your home safe and alert with the Home Zone Smart Security Floodlight Camera, as it covers a full motion detection range for you. It is durable and built to last because it is made with die-cast light fixture for resistance to outdoor weather. It also comes with loaded features, wherein you can download the Smart app from Home Zone to receive real-time notifications. You can also control this floodlight anywhere from your phone. It can also protect all confidential data, and there will be no payment required to have this. Number 1. Genie Sentry Camera. The Genie came up with a security camera that covers wide security, called the Sentry Floodlight Security Camera. It features a smart home integration that would fit all your needs and wants. The Genie Sentry Floodlight security camera is designed to have a wide security coverage to make the monitoring of your home easier. You can also link it to your smartphone devices to view live coverage of the camera and videos anytime and anywhere. The images and the videos it captures are very clear, as it has improved night vision features as well as technology for image enhancing. You will surely love its features, and it's going to prevent any crimes from happening.